How to sign up for an Exness account. First of all, open the app on your device. On the home screen, you will see two options: register or sign in. Tap on the register button to start the registration process. Next, select your country or region, tick the confirmation box and hit continue. If you have a partner code, you can enter it here by tapping on the partner code button. Now enter your email address and create a strong password for your account. Make sure to use a valid email that you can access, as it will be used for verification and account security. Tap continue and you will be required to set a 6-digit PIN to access your account. Once you do this, you have successfully created your account and will be taken to your dashboard. From here, you can set up your trading profile, choose the type of trading account you want, and complete any additional verification steps required for deposits and withdrawals. Now you know how to sign up for an Exness account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.